Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and I have recently started compiling my own voiceover demo reel, and I quickly realized how much I needed a professional microphone. I have definitely found the perfect one in this iRig Stream Mic Pro from Multimedia. It gives me the freedom to be able to use it with all of my devices, and this is amazing for me because I tend to be on the go and on the road a lot. No matter where I go, I always have my phone and my tablet with me, and this microphone can easily be used with both of these. I was so happy that it came with all of the adapting gear so I can rig it up with my microphone isolation shield. It makes for the perfect pairing, and I feel so prepared to explore any voiceover opportunities out there. To show you the level of the audio quality of this microphone, just take a listen in 3, 2, 1. So right now, this is the audio track coming from this microphone alone, and you can just tell the difference right away. Like, my voice is so clear, crisp, and clean. This is exactly the kind of professional audio that I want for my projects. Now I'm back to the audio through my phone microphone, which is fine. And honestly, I use the microphone on my phone for most of my video content. But for any projects that are 100% audio focused, I know that I am definitely going to need this microphone from Multimedia. I feel like I have more to learn about its functions, but honestly, I find it to be really straightforward. And I love how everything is controlled by this single knob on the microphone. I've been really pleased and impressed by this Multimedia microphone. I can't wait to see all that I can accomplish with it. But that's just my point of view.